Split testing is a marketing tactic that can be used to refine your funnels by determining which messaging, design, layout, etc. gets the best conversion rate. You can then optimize your leads and sales generation by utilizing split tests. Within a funnel page, you can have one link that has multiple versions. You can determine the split or percentage chance that a lead visits the control page or the variation page, like option A or option B. And then after a period of time, you can determine which page had the better outcome or more success and utilize that to enhance your funnel. Let's take a look at how to do this. You'll start by navigating to the funnel builder and choose a funnel that you'd like to create a split test for. Go ahead and choose a step. Here I'm going to update the second step. This is my main page or default page for the second step, which is also known as the control page. Now I'd like to start a split test. So here I'm going to click Create Variation. I can either create a duplicate variation, which will copy the control page, or create from blank. In this example, for the sake of this video, I'm going to create a duplicate version and then just edit a couple of the features like maybe the color of the page and the font. Now within the funnel builder, I'll go ahead and make whatever changes I like to this variation page. Again, in this example, I'm just going to be updating the color of the page just for a brief example. Don't forget to save any changes before you leave the builder. Now we're back on the funnel page and we're almost ready to go. What we'll need to do now is drag this toggle to adjust what percentage we'd like for the split test for the control page versus the variation page. I'm going to do a 40-60 split, so 40% of the traffic will go to the control page and 60% of the traffic will go to the variation page. Once I've determined this percentage, I'll click Apply Changes, click OK to confirm, and now the test is ready to go. By utilizing this link, we'll be able to access either the control page or the variation page. If I click into this link, I'll get one version and I will continue to get that version within my web browser because essentially I've been cookied within the web browser. I could utilize a different browser or an incognito window or another device and use the same link, and there would be a 40-60 chance that I would get either the control page or the variation page. Now once a split test has run and the statistics are available and we've determined that the blue version or the orange version is better, we can go ahead and hover over whichever version we want to keep and declare it as a winner. We'll click Continue with this version, and this will delete the other page. We'll go ahead and click OK in the pop-up window to confirm that we want to declare the control page as the winner because we decided that the blue funnel page was better. And now the blue funnel page is all we have for this second step within this funnel, and we're ready to go and the split test is complete. We could always create a new split test later by creating variation and starting the steps again. And here below we can see archived pages for previous split tests that have been done within this step.